Thinking about the 2019 GMC Sierra 1500? Consider the 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 instead. When you combine a century of truck building know-how with 7 million miles of testing, you don't just get any old truck. You get one that's bigger, stronger, and lighter than the previous generation. One that offers you more choices so you can get the capability you need. One that's built on the legacy of the most dependable, longest-lasting full-size pickups on the road. You get a Silverado. All-new design provides more space in the cargo box to offer up to 20% more cargo volume than the competition. Best-in-class bed weight. Best-in-class bed length for standard and short box. Offers more cargo volume in the short box than the competition standard box. Visit us today to test drive the always exciting Chevrolet Silverado.